World record shattered by Shiba Inu Coin. It's becoming insane. The joke currency known as Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu, has received a lot of attention on social media. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin, is the foundation of Shiba Inu. In August 2020, an individual or organization going by the name Ryoshi constructed it anonymously. It just takes a few minutes to launch a single coin on an established blockchain. We will discuss Shiba Inu Coin Shatter's world record in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Analysts predict that in the next years, the price of Shiba Inus will rise. By the end of 2024, the price of a Shiba Inu is expected to increase to $0.03, which is 8 times the present price. The highest point for Shiba Inu was more than $0.80. Analysts, however, are not too optimistic about the Shiba Inu's future. In 2025, Shiba Inus are expected to cost, on average, $0.728. The previous year's Shiba Inu pricing trends were absurd. In a short amount of time in May, the value of Shib coin surged. It was unable in maintaining its position, however, but June arrived after that. Once again, the coin grabbed news. Cryptocurrencies will be used in every industry by 2030 and will have become really widespread. Currently, Shiba Inu is one of the most well-liked cryptocurrencies and is extensively used. Shiba Inu is probably going to test the $0.01 threshold for the first time since its inception in 2030 because to the ongoing decline in supply and the increase in demand. Shiba Inu's standing as one of the best performing cryptocurrencies ever created would be cemented by this. Small investors find high-quality but inexpensive cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu more alluring than ever in a tumultuous market. Furthermore, a far wider agreement that cryptocurrencies are here to stay will emerge. This will probably contribute to a significant increase in the demand for Shib. It is the one and only most important aspect that might enable Shiba Inus to reach $1 by 2030. When the cryptocurrency market reaches its peak in 2030 and the majority of the quick-rich hoopla fades, Shib may trade at $1 or so until the 2040s. This is all theoretical, of course, and a Shiba Inu may hit $1 much sooner or never at all. Playing the long game and having skin in the game is the only way to find out. 10 years hence, nobody would have predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $60,000, given its penny price. Those that made the initial investment and kept onto it, nevertheless, have become multimillionaires and billionaires. Other expert organizations, however, believe that it will trade for at least $0.24, with a potential top of $0.29. As a result, in 2030, the Shib price should be around $0.24. Despite having a vibrant community, the token's lack of value and competitive advantages, according to project opponents, will likely restrict its future performance. Experts did not believe that the Shib currency could hit $1 by 2025 unless 3 significant milestones were met by the project. Shibarium, Metaverse, and significant coin burn all launched with great success. On the other hand, Shibarium will optimize blockchain-based games by facilitating quick and inexpensive transactions. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's rising utilization will be largely dependent on transaction costs. The previous 3 weeks saw Shiba Inu ultimately convert its long-term trend line from resistance to support as buyers worked to change the negative narrative. The $0.1034 support recently sparked a purchasing resurgence, but purchasers were unable to take quick advantage of the price increase. A persistent move above the present trend may facilitate the search for newer highs in the near future. On the daily charts, Shib's liftoff from the $0.987 level last month created the conditions for a bearish pen and setup. However, the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA kept creating obstacles to recovery and causing a reversal. Shib returned to a negative trajectory after this reversal caused a patterned breakout. This drop included a down channel in the interim. The near-term advantage of selling would persist as the 20 to 50 EMAs pointed south. A possible breach over the present pattern might be triggered by a rebound from the $0 and 1,034 cents support. The $0 and 1,144 cents to $0 and 1,155 cents $6.05 range in this instance might jeopardize the purchasing attempts. The token may get a much-needed upside if it closes above this range, either immediately or eventually. Under such conditions, Shib can test the $0 and 11 cents zone and see a bearish invalidation. Conversely, a drop below the current support level may prompt a retest of the down channel's lower trend line. Though its higher throws over the last several days bearishly deviated with the market movement, the Chaikin money flow's CMF rise over the zero level chimed with the increased purchasing demand. Still, a sustained close above the midline may support the optimistic narrative. A look at the overall open interest in SHIB futures showed that open interest had risen by over 5.22% on the previous day. In line with this, there was an over 3% increase in price action during the same period. For the immediate future, this reading showed a positive indication. Any break above the present pattern might set up the token for a bull run should the buyers take advantage of this. Additionally, the alt and Bitcoin had a 43% 30-day connection. Therefore, monitoring how Bitcoin moves in relation to the mood of the market as a whole may be crucial to spotting any negative invalidations. Vitalik Buterin's post from last week sparked the creation and rapid expansion of the protocol, which is a rival to the meme coin Shiba Inu. Nonetheless, a few ardent SHIB fans persisted in endorsing the cryptocurrency without intending to convert their preferences to the coin. David Gokhshtein, a well-known Bitcoin influencer and the creator of Gokhshtein Media, has indicated that he is not interested in joining the Shiba Inu rival. Rather, he strengthened his endorsement of the meme coin Shib. He said that he will always support Shiba Inus. Gokhshtein said he will continue to use the coin with a dog motive. In addition, he said that he had no interest in the coin, which is thought to be the Shib killer. I have no interest in thee, and will continue to stay with Shib. However, this does not imply that Mr. Gokhshtein is uninterested in any other meme coin available on the market, the author stated. Give me a meme coin with a real use case, plan, and functioning product, he tweets in another message. Right now, I want to invest $1,000 on something. Send me the upcoming Shib. Furthermore, Gokhshtein has already openly supported the Shib coin. The meme coin aficionado has already made numerous forecasts for Shib on Twitter. Gokhshtein predicted earlier this month that the next bull run for Shiba Inu will include a parabolic surge. Prior to that, he had also lamented not putting all of his meme coin money on Shiba Inu. I should have simply invested all of my meme tokens in Shib. He said, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, poked fun at recently launched cryptocurrency projects last week, saying that protocols frequently rely on to become popular. In jest, he said that the protocol should be the name of a project. A few days later, the ERC-TV 2020 protocol was established. Drawing a page from the Shiba Inu playbox gave rise to memecoin, which many referred to as the next Shib killer. Buttering 100 million meme coins, or 10% of all coins in circulation, were also given to buttering under the protocol. The day after the establishment of its value increased by 1,000%. Since then, however, its value has significantly decreased. Shiba Inu is staying strong, despite the brief interest in the meme currency generated by the protocol's introduction as a Shib killer. Some intriguing changes have recently occurred in the Shiba Inu ecology. After Polygon, Shiba Inu just achieved the second position on the Web3 security scoreboard. However, customers may utilize their cryptocurrency to pay for their Netflix and Amazon subscriptions using the Canada-based cryptocurrency payment gateway FCFPay. The rate at which Shiba Inu meme currencies are burning has risen by an incredible 1494% in the last 24 hours, according to the Shib burn tracking platform. compared to the 2,833,917 SHIB demolished the day before, a total of 45,265,582 were torched. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.